iQOO will be launching the iQOO 7 later today in China. A vivo user has shared a couple of screenshots to share the specs of the upcoming iQOO phones such as iQOO 7 Neo, iQOO Z3, iQOO Z3X, and iQOO 3U3X. Before reading ahead, readers are advised to digest the leak with a grain of salt. iQOO 7 Neo specifications, unconfirmed. The iQOO 7 Neo is expected to arrive with specs like an LCD display that offers a 120Hz or higher refresh rate, Snapdragon 888 chipset, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, and a 4500 mAh battery with 55W fast charging support. It could be coming with a 40 Write